So today I have Liz Lugo here, and Liz is like a brow waxing expert, right? You're the queen of waxing the brows.
Yeah, I love doing brows, but I also do full body.
Full body waxing. Ouch. Yeah. Okay, we're not doing full body waxing today.
Yeah, we're gonna focus on eyebrows today. Okay, so before we get started, you wanna make sure that you turn your warmer on and you're gonna set it to high before you add wax in there. And you're gonna wanna add about 5 or 6 blocks to your warmer, and you're gonna put the top on it and just let it melt down for about 5 minutes. But make sure that you check on it after about the 3-minute mark. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna cleanse your skin. So if you have a cotton round handy, just saturate that with micellar water or witch hazel. Just get in there and make sure that you take off any makeup that you have around your brows.
Oh my gosh, I'm about to look nuts. It's gonna be like my skin and then the makeup.
So just get a mascara wand, brush them however you naturally brush your brows. We are going to map your brows out.
Yes, my white eyeliner. Let me get that. I bought this especially for today.
The start of your brow is going to be at this bridge of your nostril right here. This is the point that you're gonna follow. You're gonna take your pencil, draw it all the way up. That's the start of your brow. And then from here, you're gonna rotate your brow pencil to your arch, and that's typically ending right at your pupil. From there, go ahead and remove the pencil, replace it on the bottom of your nostril here, and you're going to just mark straight up, and that's the tail of your brow. When you're ready to pull your wax, because we're doing our brows, you're gonna want a little bit of wax. So you're gonna take your small wax stick, you're gonna dip it in, but you're gonna pull out. And you're gonna clip the edge, the back, and you're gonna twirl it. The twirling is just to cut that wax string. And you see like how slowly it's rolling off my stick?
Yes.
That's about the temperature that we wanna work with, because I have control over the wax, but it's warm enough so that it's effective and it's not too hot, it's not dripping all over the place. You're gonna wanna hold that stick like a pencil almost, like, you know, like this. And the very first strip that we're gonna do is going to go right in between our brows. So it's gonna be a smaller one and it's gonna just go here. We wanna always apply that wax in the direction of the hair growth. Once that strip is ready for removal, you're going to hold your skin taut, grab that end of the wax strip and remove it in the opposite direction.
I felt them popping out and I can see them on here. It worked! We waxed.
Did it, your first strip. Woo! So the next strip we're gonna do is a little bit bigger, but it's gonna be kind of the same concept. You're just gonna want it to be a little more narrow.
That felt fine. I don't see any like weird bald spots. It didn't get anywhere, so that's a win.
I would have started yelling if I felt like you were in danger.
Ooh, no. I already made a mistake.
No, you're good, keep going. Just get that one strip straight down. Good, now remove the stick, remove the stick, remove the stick. Good. Yeah, go for it. Go ahead, lay it down and just go straight down. Lay your stick flat a little more. Lay your stick flat a little more. So now we're gonna move on to the lower and the longer brow area. This is the one where we wanna be a little bit more cautious. So less is more on your stick, okay? Kind of went in a little too high.
Oh no!
So I just want you to go in and clean up any little hairs. Like if you look on mine, right where I'm tweezing right now, that's kind of where I want you to grab that one hair.
Does that look better?
Yeah. So the last thing that you want to apply on your eyelid is a little bit of the tea tree skin ointment, and it's just really going to soothe your skin. When you're waxing your brows at home, I would typically recommend waiting about 3 weeks in between waxes, 3 to 4 weeks. You really want to let your hair grow back in and just give your skin a little bit of a break in between waxes.
This was a lot more difficult than I thought it was going to be. I literally thought we were going to be like, boom, boom, one and done. Well, thank you so much for helping me out, Liz. And I think once this is all over, I will leave the waxing to you. You and all the other professionals.